Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey guys, it's time for our practical Hakka right here on ICRT FM 100.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And it's July right now, 现在是7月, so we're right in the middle of summer. 其实现在天气很热. Let's teach you terms that are related to being so hot in today's weather, okay? First off, you're going to say, oh my goodness, it is so damn hot today. 甚至有些英文会说 it is hot as hell. 好像地狱一样的热，对不对？好，那国语可能就是说我快热死了啊！这个客家话怎么说？
我要热死嘞！
哦，我要热死嘞。Okay, in Chinese we like to say, oh, I'm dying of heat or I'm dying of thirst. 都常会用死这个字哦，就是说表示很极端嘛。
对，
right?
那海陆腔。
好，海陆腔对。
热死嘞！
哦，所以是后面，所以它热其实蛮像的。热死嘞
Yeah.
Okay, so after making that comment, perhaps you want to go home and just take a cold shower. 其实通常我们都不会想要冲冷水澡，可是天气很热的时候，真的有时候冲个冷水澡还蛮解热的哦。So let's say, I want to go get a cold shower right now. 去冲个冷水澡。
去冲一下凉。
去冲一下凉。冲一下凉这样子吗？
对对对。去冲一下凉。
去冲一下凉 Okay, so 不用讲洗澡这个字了，是不是？
是。
Oh, interesting. Okay, it's very short and concise in Hakka. That means I want to take a cold shower. 去冲一下凉 Okay, and finally, sometimes you just want to pick up a cold beverage and it will help the heat a bit. 要喝冰的饮料。
吃冰的饮料。
吃冰的饮料 Okay, that means drink something cold. 这样听起来好像要吃冰了，这样吃冰。
对啊，就喝啦。
喝哦，那如果更强的话，要去吃冰好了，可以吗？
吃几个冰
哦，
就是
几啊冰吗？
对啊。
哎呀，这个跟台湾的那个台语有点像哈。OK, 好 ，So those are some terms about the heat today. Let's review it. I'm dying of heat. 我快热死了。
我要热死嘞。
我要热死嘞。那如果是海陆，
我要热死嘞。
我要熱死嘞。I want to go take a cold shower. 要去沖個冷水澡。
去沖一下涼。
去沖一下涼。And finally, I want to get a cold beverage. 喝冰的飲料。
吃冰的飲料。
吃冰的飲料。然後喝完之後就要解渴又解熱，不錯。All right, that does it for today's practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺子 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.